Let us see how the mathematical calculation have been done with the help of the Punnett square and what was postulated from this. So, using Punnett square, we found out that after cross-pollination, the F1 progeny were having the genotype capital T small t, right? So, parental capital T small t, that is the male parent capital T small t. So, this is the male parent which we take, and the female parent which is small t, they are cross-pollinated and they produce the F1 progeny which has capital T and small t. And these will produce gametes called as capital T and small t. The രണ്ടായിരിക്കും അവരെ gametes because they have only those two gametes. So they will produce capital T, small t. Okay, and now self-pollination is done with the F1 progeny. What is self-pollination? If this is the male parent, this will be the female parent, but both of them will have the same genotype because they are in the same flower. ഒരേ പൂവിലാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. Okay, about this anther will be dusted on the stigma of the female part which has the same genotype. And when they are self-pollinated, what would happen? This T gamete, this male gamete called T, can either combine with, it means that 50% chance is there to combine with the female T, and the other 50% chance will have the small t combining with it, right? So what happens when the fertilization take place, the pollen grains of genotype capital T, so this is capital T, right? So this capital T have 50% chance to pollinate eggs of the genotype T as well as genotype small t. Okay, 50% chance എന്തായിരിക്കും ഈ capital T, it can either fuse with the capital T of the female or else it can fuse with the small t of the female. Okay, so 50% chance are there for this. And the other 50% chance is also the pollen grains of small t, small genotype, can combine with either capital T of the female or else they can combine with the small t of the female, right? So it has 50% chance of pollinating egg of genotype T as well as of genotype small t. Okay, and as a result of random fertilization, the resultant zygotes can be of the genotypes capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, and small t, small t. So these were the result of the F2 generation. Okay, now let us see the percentage, see the fraction value and the ratio of all these, right? So let us see about the mathematical calculation of all these. So if you take from the Punnett square, it is easily seen that 1/4 of the random fertilization led to capital T, capital T. Okay, it means that totally if you take 4 of them, 4 of the genotype, 1/4 of it, അതിൽ ഒരു ഭാഗം 4ൽ ഒരു ഭാഗം മാത്രം, it is capital T, capital T. Okay, 1/4 of the genome will, that is genotype will be, or the gamete will have capital T, capital T. And 1/2 will lead to capital T, small t, because in this 4, 2 of them are present as capital T, small t. So 1/2 of the gametes will have capital T, small t in their genotype. And last 1/4 again, in this 4, 1/4 again will have small t, small t. Okay, so there will be 1/4 of capital T, capital T, 1/2 of capital T, small t, and 1/4 of small t, small t, right? And though the F1 have a genotype capital T, small t, but the phenotypic character seen is tall. So ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് F1 കിട്ടിയത് പുതിയൊരു heterozygous, it means that it will have capital T, small t, but it shows the phenotypic character as tall. It is not showing the darkness. First F1 generation നമുക്ക് tall ആണ് കിട്ടിയത്. Okay, and at F2, 3/4 of the, if you take the phenotypic ratio, we can say that 3/4 of the plants are tall here. If you say in fraction, 3/4 of the plants are tall, whereas some of them are capital T, while others are capital T, small t. Okay, genotypically 1/4 of them will have capital T, and 1/2 of them will have capital T, small t, and 1/4 of them will have small t, But if you take phenotypically means by the physical appearance, we can see that 3/4 of the plant will be tall. Okay, and why is it so? It is because genotype, which is capital T small t, is considered, it is coding for tallness. Right? So, phenotypically, as capital T small t is producing the character called tall, at F2 generation, 3/4 of them will be tall. So, these three will be tall, and only 1/4 of them will be dwarf, which is the phenotypically. Right? So, 3/4 of the plants are tall, where some of them are capital T, and some of them are capital T small t. പക്ഷേ ഇവരെന്തിനാ കോഡ് ചെയ്യുക? They will code for tall again. Okay. Hence, within the genotypic pair, capital T small t, only one character called as capital T is expressed. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു pair എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ only the capital T gets expressed. Okay. Hence, the character tall is said to dominate over the other allele T or dwarf character. Okay. And it is thus due to the dominance of one character over the other that all the F1 are tall, though the phenotype is capital T small t. Okay. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ dominant എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? It is because in the F1 generation, this character dominated over the other. That is why we got all tall plants in the F1 generation, though their genotype is capital T small t. And in F2 generation, 3/4 of the plants are tall, though genotypically they are 1/2 are capital T small t, and only 1/4 are capital T. Right? So, this led to a phenotypic ratio of 3/4 tall, which includes 1/4 capital T, and 1/2 capital T small t, and 1/4 that is a ratio of 1/4 that is small t, and it is a ratio of 3:1, but a genotypic ratio of 1:2:1. Okay, I'll just show it. I'll just write it down so that it will be clear for you. So, just listen to it properly again. It is thus due to this dominance of one character over the other that all the F1 are tall. So, all the F1 generations were tall due to dominance of this T, capital T. Okay, I'm talking about genotype, right? So, they are tall. It is because it has a capital T. It dominated the dwarf character. Okay, though their genotype is capital T small t. So, their genotype is capital T small t dwarfness na code cheyna gene undayalum, they are showing only the tall characteristic. And F2 generation, 3/4 of the plants are tall. You can see here, this is tall, this is tall, this is tall, and together it is along the total 4 genotype, that is total 4 gametes, 3 of them are tall. So, this 3/4 of them are tall in the F2 generation. Right? So, 3/4 of the tall, plants are tall, though genotypically, how are they genotypically? They are capital T small t. Understood it? So, how is the 3/4 of the plant tall? They are tall by appearance, but their genotype will be capital T small t, and 1/4 of them will be capital T. Okay, so it is 1/4 here, and it is 1/2 here. So, total it becomes 3/4. Okay, so 3/4 of the plants were tall genotypically. And this leads to a phenotype ratio of 3/4 tall, that is, it includes 1/4 and 1/2. But phenotypically, they are tall. 3/4 of them are tall, and our 3/4 tall, 1/4 of them are having capital T, and 1/2 of them are having capital T small t. Okay, and 1/4 of them will have a small t. Okay, so we can write in the ratio as 3:1. Right? So, what is 3:1? The phenotype will be 3:1. Okay, because tall, dwarf എന്ന് പറയുന്ന രണ്ട് ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക് ആണ് നമുക്ക് കാണുന്നത്. So, the phenotype will be 3:1, which includes 1/4 of them capital T, and 1/2 of them capital T small t, and then 1 it includes the small t. Okay, So phenotypically, three of them will be tall and one will be dwarf, right? So this is phenotype. Phenotype in the it is the physical appearance. Okay, so 1% of them will be dwarf. And when you say it in percentage, it is about 75:25. Okay, so the percentage will be 75:25. Okay, because total 4, 3/4 of them are what? Tall. So it is 75% and other 25% is the dwarf. This is phenotypically, right? And what is the genotype ratio? This is 1, right? So capital T is 1 and capital T, small t, two numbers are there. So we are writing as 2 and the small t is 1 in number. So the ratio of genotype is 1:2:1. And same way, the ratio of phenotype is 3:1, right? So 3:1 is the ratio of phenotype and 1:2:1 is the ratio of genotype. Genotype എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇത് ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. Okay, and 3/4 of them will be tall because it has 1 capital T and 2 capital T small t. Okay, so that is why they are 3/4 of them are tall, 1/4 of them are dwarf. Understood it? Clear with this, children? Just go through your textbook. If you read it properly, you can understand it. It is very easy. When you hear all these capital T, small t, it is a little confusing, or else it is easy. Just go through it. You know everything in this. But read your textbook properly. If you have any doubts, you can ask to me. Okay, children, Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.